good this morning. Okay, trust you're all doing good this morning. It's very early morning in Ghana. That is 4:45 a.m. in Ghana as I'm speaking with you. And all right, so we're gonna start our session on just as we started, and then we continue from where we ended yesterday. And we have 46 in numbers. Will share the link with your team members so that they join us? But we are starting, right? We are starting. So let me know if you can hear me. If you can hear me loud and clear, give me one in the chat for me to know you can hear me. Pardon me, I'm not being able to shout so much as I used to say because it's very early morning. That is at dawn in Ghana now, by 4:30 a.m. and I wouldn't be able to shout so much. So forgive me for that. Okay. So yeah, I guess you can hear me loud and clear. That is awesome. That is awesome. All right. So let's start. Let me share my screen. Before then, let me see if I can make a few people co-hosts. Let me do that first. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, who want to back me up in case the network takes me out of the meeting? Who want to back me up? Just raise your hand and let me make you a co-host. Okay, so I guess that'll be MC here. All right. Okay, so let's start. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I guess we started this journey um on balancing market sentiments, fundamental analysis with technical analysis to ensure traders can be able to make a well-informed decision in the crypto market, which is also important. So we started with technical analytical tools like the coin glass, and we discussed a lot about the coin glass. And today we are shifting or moving from coin glass to a common um platform or data platform, that is CoinMarketCap. That is CoinMarketCap. And I know most of you are so familiar with CoinMarketCap. I know most of you are so familiar with CoinMarketCap. Maybe you might have used it for a lot of purpose, or maybe you may not be familiar with it too. I guess today, as we continue our lesson on CoinMarketCap as part of tracking price data, and then also helping traders to be able to know or identify key areas where assets may have potential or liquidity may exist in the market. I believe it will help you because it forms part of your trading journey, and after understanding some of these things, it gives you the confidence to go into the market with it, combining it with your technical analysis. You are good to go. And basically, this is when it comes to CoinMarketCap, it's a pure fundamental analysis tool, right? CoinMarketCap is a pure fundamental analysis tool that after understanding, it gives you more confidence in trading. So comparing CoinMarketCap before then, comparing CoinMarketCap to um comparing CoinMarketCap to CoinGlass. Now CoinGlass is more of technical analytical tool, even though it gives you the basics, the fundamentals, but then it's more of technical. And when it comes to what do we call? So let me first do this. Okay. When it comes to what do we call CoinMarketCap? CoinMarketCap, unlike CoinGlass, that is technical analytical tool. that helps you to track price data, especially when it goes to the derivatives markets. It gives you detailed information about the markets and other things in the markets. Over here on the CoinMarketCap has become one of the popular cryptocurrency market data platform where a lot of people, and in fact, if I'm to remove, yes, I can say that it's one of the popular crypto markets data platform, and it helps traders to be able to track and then also identify real-time prices. It helps traders to track and identify real-time prices in the crypto market. And what makes it so awesome is that, just as the name itself derives, um, just as the name derives itself, we set it what market cap. So when it comes to cryptocurrencies, using the coin market cap helps the trader to identify the total. Okay, let me use this. It helps the traders to identify total crypto market cap. Okay, when we talk of capitalization, mm, mm, capitalization, very good. So in crypto markets, using the coin market cap helps you to identify the total crypto market capitalization in the crypto markets. And basically, when we talk of market capitalization, each and every
Each and
single asset that we trade, each and every single asset that we trade has a market cap. Okay, and ideally, when we talk of a market cap, we mean the price of the assets times the circulating supply. Okay, the price of the assets times the circulating supply of the assets. So the current price that the asset trades on, and then also the circulating supply of the assets, that is the buying and selling track records that has been combined, that is presently circulating in the market, is what determines as the circulating supply. So at the end of the day, using coin market caps, it tracks the price, the actual price data, the total number of coins or tokens that traders are trading on. So either it's coin or it's token. Okay, the total number of this particular price or the coins that people are being traded on. So you see, those of you that are trading on the futures, because sometimes you have to trade that you have to calculate for the number of tokens or coins the asset is having in its equivalent to what USDT. So before an asset will get into USDT, first the token value must be identified. So in that form, identifying the token value is what we call it what the circulating supply. So before a token value may be, the total number of coins or the total token value may be identified, the trader must be able to know the total token value or number of coins that exists in the asset. So with current price, or sorry, market cap, it gives the trader, or it helps the trader to be able to identify the price and also the circulating supply. So being able to multiply the current price of the asset and then also the circulating supply that the coin or the token is maybe presently trading at, is what we term it as the um market cap, right? Is what we term it as the market cap. And using market cap, I guess by the time we finish with this session, though not today, maybe tomorrow or next, we are going to go into detail to learn and explore more on the coin market cap, because it's one of the tools that every trader should never be ignorant about. It's one of the tools that every trader should never be ignorant about. And when you are a trader who understands how to use coin market cap, listen, when you are a trader who understands how to use coin market cap, it really helps you in your trading journey. It really benefits you, and also helps you in your trading journey a lot. And CoinMarketCap can be used by everyone. It's either you are a beginner, it can help you to do what, find safe coins to invest or trade. So those of you that are beginners in the crypto market, where sometimes you find it so difficult and then also hectic getting coins to trade, when you understand the CoinMarketCap as a beginner, it will help you to do or to get safe coins to trade, right? So you will not be burdened with the headache of coins that may be delisted, coins that may not have momentum, coins that may not have good price tracking value, and others. So whenever you are using CoinMarketCap, if you are a beginner, you understand how to use CoinMarketCap, it will help you to be able to assess the market and then also get safe coins to invest in. So as if you are intermediate as well. So either you are intermediate or a beginner or you are an advanced trader, every trader needs CoinMarketCap. Every trader does what needs CoinMarketCap. And I said, maybe for an intermediate trader and you want to track market health or analyze market volume and then also compare different exchanges, then CoinMarketCap is good for it. Is good for you. So if you are the type, maybe you want to track the markets by knowing different prices, the market's health, and then also if you want to analyze the volume of the health of the market, and then also you want to identify different exchanges in the market, CoinMarketCap is good for you. Sometimes you may see some people, they will ask you, my coin is getting delisted and I don't know which exchange to use. What exchange can I find my assets on? On the CoinMarketCap, you will be able to identify all these features on the CoinMarketCap. So before you even think of analyzing a particular coin on maybe TradingView or any other platform that helps you to analyze an asset, first you might have gone to CoinMarketCap to see and observe, analyze the volume, analyze a lot of things, or track the market out before you even go to what do we call CoinMarket trading view to analyze your coin, right? So as also if you're an advanced trader and you also want to use CoinMarketCap, it's good for you, right? If you're an advanced trader and you want to use CoinMarketCap, it's good for you because at the end of the day, using CoinMarketCap will help you to spot out a lot of opportunities and then also manage your risk as a trader, right? There are a lot of coins. If you go to CoinMarketCap to take your time to understand it, to check its liquidity, and also track the flow across the different exchanges and then also the market, I don't think you will trade. You think of trading, right? I don't think you think of what trading at or you yes. But then most traders they just see coin in an exchange, it doing well, then they jump on it. You see coin doing well in an exchange, then you jump on it. But once you understand coin market cap, you begin to change the narratives. Do you get it? Once you understand coin market caps, you begin to change the narratives of what of your trading. So I think as a trader, the first place you must visit, the first place you must visit in your trading journey before you even decide of analyzing any coin on the trading view app is your CoinMarketCap. First, understand the use of CoinMarketCap as a platform, a data platform that helps you to track and then also get real-time price and market capitalization. And in doing that, it will help you to give you more confidence. There is no confidence in trading than having more power-packed information about a particular asset before analyzing. Even you see, when you are analyzing a coin, listen, when you are analyzing a coin, what gives you the confidence and what also gives you the exact or at least the right information for you to know, okay, this particular coin will go uptrend, this particular coin will go downtrend. I can tell you that just as I said yesterday, it comes from the sentiments of what of traders, and most of these sentiments can be power packed or tracked from these tools like maybe on CoinGlass, or if it's futures or sports, or maybe better or not on the coin market cap. right? So it is important for us to understand and learn some of these things very well. And I guess it will give us more momentum, more energy as we do our technical analysis on either you are using SMC, you are using price action, or you are using indicators to trade. It may give you more confidence in your trading, right? I guess if you're following, give me one in the chat. Let me know if you're following, give me one in the chat. So in this session, if you're following, give me one in the chat. So in this session, we shall look at we shall versus the market cap tool. I will identify how you can get the market cap tool or platform, and the various ways we can access it. And then if God permit tomorrow, we shall also go into much detail. And yeah, so that's what we are going to do. All right, I can see you guys are following. I can see you guys are following. Yes, that is awesome. We are about 81 in numbers, and that is awesome. So let's start. Let's start. All right, now, where do we get the market cap to? Where do we get the market cap to? So over here you can see I have series of crypto apps that ranges from exchanges to trading lessons and different price chart or price tracked information. And all these things helps you to learn and then also be abreast with the crypto market. All these things helps you to learn and then to be abreast with the crypto market, right? So over here, below is my coin market cap. Below is my coin market cap. Below is my coin market cap. So if you want to use coin market cap, you can either download it on App Store or Play Store. You can either download it on App Store or Play Store. They are all there. It is there, and you can be able to access it without any payments. It's recent that I'm beginning to realize something. It's recent that I'm beginning to realize something that crypto is very important, and um the rate at which a lot of people are scamming others about cryptocurrency is too real. It's too real. Will you believe yesterday, was it yesterday or 3 days ago, I was having a conversation with someone, and I'm told there is a trader who wanted to sell Binance for him. There is a trader who wanted to sell Binance accounts for him. And I was like, he said he asked me to pay money to download the Binance app on Play Store. I was like, really? I was like, really? And he said there is something called CoinMarketCap. I also have to buy it so that he can be able to help me get a lot of coins and know the coins as well. I was like, oh my God, what is happening? Guys, that is the reason why most of these sessions are very important. That is the reason why most of these sessions are very important. If not, you'll be sleeping and maybe it may not be you today, but it may be a family member, it may be a loved one. And I guess it is the knowledge that you will get here, the knowledge that you are gaining would give you more momentum to be able to educate other people. If not, always our relatives, our loved ones, our neighbors will always fall into trouble by the scheme of scammers, by the scheme of what of scammers. All right, so now let's look at market cap. So I guess we have the app. So it's either we are using the app, okay? It's either we are using the sorry, it's either we are using the app or we can also use the web page. It's either we are using the app or we can also use the web page, right? It's either we are using the app or we can also use the web page. So permit me to do something small. So you can use the app or you can also use the web page, and we are going to use both the app and then the web page. We can mm, we can use the app and then the web page, right? Interesting. Mm. Anyway, let's proceed. So, CoinMarketCap, okay, www.coinmarketcap.com. All right, so let's pump on it. Okay, so let's click on home markets. All right. Okay, so over here on CoinMarketCap, there are easy things, some of the few things that we will be able to learn and identify. Like I said, we will continue to brush through and then go deeper, go more detailed if we permit tomorrow. So over here on CoinMarketCap, now, like we said on CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to track prices. You'll be able to track prices, and then also with those prices of the different cryptocurrencies, they've been arranged based on their price circulations, okay, based on their prices and then also price circulations. So for us to be able to get what you call market cap of a single asset, what's happening? All right, Grace, if you are here, let me make you a co-host. If anyone joins and then the person refuses to mute his call, do justice to that person. All right, do justice to that person for me. So you are my co-host, Grace. Okay, Ambassador Soy is also here. All right. Okay, so you guys should monitor those who join and decide or refuse to mute their call. Yeah. Okay, so let's proceed. So over here on CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to identify prices. And the reason why these prices are were able to arrange in order is first as a result of the price and also the circulating supply. Okay, the circulating supply of a particular asset. So for instance, we take Bitcoin. First, the reason why Bitcoin can be matched on the coin market cap as the first cryptocurrency is as a result of one, its price, not just the price, multiplied by the circulating supply of of that particular asset. So I said when we talk of the circulating supply, that is the total value of tokens or coins, or the total price movement at which traders begins to buy and sell a particular token at the moment, right? So if more people are trading on a particular asset, for instance on Bitcoin or in on any particular asset at all within a particular a period of time, it gives traders more information about it and then also help them to know the circulating value of the token or of that particular asset. So looking at Bitcoin as an example, you may be able to track to know that this is the present price or this is the total value of worth of Bitcoin as compared to Ethereum based on the price of the assets and then also the circulating supply. So if we want to know the circulating supply, to it tomorrow we'll go more detailed into that. But first, let's click on it. So those you can use the website or you can web page or you can also use the app. So let's go to the app. I'm combining both the app and then the web page. So don't worry. So just tap on it. All right. Very good. Now let's scroll down. When we scroll down here, tomorrow, if you open me tomorrow, we'll look at this part. But then I just wanted to see something. When we scroll down here, When you come here, we are seeing the market cap of what of Bitcoin. We are seeing the volume, maximum supply, um, circulating supply, okay, and then also total supply. We shall look at it into detail if God permit tomorrow. But then I just want to explain how market cap is being derived for each and every single asset we observe in the what in the market. So with market cap, it may gives you the various coin rankings. And this is how the coins are being ranked on the market cap. First, like I said, the price of the asset, the price, and then also the circulating supply. So that's the reason why I jumped here. I'm not here to talk about the detail about what about BTs, but then I just want to snatch information from this that is circulating supply. So over here you can see that the circulating supply of BTC is now 100 and that is 19.91 million, okay, multiply by the current price of what of BTC, that is 11,000 something something something, right? So the something 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 that is there multiplied by 19.91 million is what will be able to give us the total market cap of what of BTC, right? So sometimes you may see an asset. So back to coin market cap. So back to how the asset has been arranged from that is from ascending order to descending order. Okay, from ascending order to what to descending order. Now you can see over here on coin market cap the reason why you are seeing BTC to be first, Ethereum to be second, SRP to be third. So there are some of you might think, but if you look at I don't understand the reason why on CoinMarketCap, look at the price of SRP is just $2, and then also Solana is just Solana is $216. So why is it that Solana is 216 and then also SRP rather is the third on the coin market cap? Does that mean that SRP is more heavier than what than Solana? Yes, because SRP is having more circulating supply as compared to what as compared to Solana. Hope that is clear. SRP is having more circulating supply as compared to Solana. So when the current price of SRP or when the price of SRP is multiplied by its circulating supply, it gives you a total inflow in the market, and it gives it momentum in terms of what market capitalization, right? That is the reason why SRP may be the third ranking on the what on the coin market cap, whereas Solana may be the sixth ranking on the coin market cap because of its circulating supply. So if an investor wants to invest in a particular coin, that investor wouldn't just look at the price, but the investor will first focus on, okay, the investor would first look at it from various angles before he would decide to do what to trade on this particular asset. So he wouldn't just jump on it because the price is rising, as some of you used to do. I've seen the price is rising, so I'm going to trade it, is rising. No. So if you are an investor, if you are a good trader, you need to focus or you need to consider the price as well as the circulating supply for you to be able to derive the exact cap of that particular coin. And then, so in a layman's sense, you say, okay, so let me look at either the asset is heavy to trade, okay, its heaviness, the weight it carries, the weight. So you can see SRP carries more weight as compared to what to Solana, right? That is the idea. If that is clear, give me one in the chat. If that is clear, give me one in the chat. If that is clear, give me one in the chat. Let me see if my audience are following. Let me see if my audience are following. If that is clear, give me one in the chat. Hmm? Let's see. If that is clear, I am not getting you, my brother. want to know your socials. I don't know I don't get what you're talking about. All right, so that is good. Let's proceed. So over here on CoinMarketCap, it is so easy for you to understand some of these things. So by understanding some of these things, you may be able to know why maybe yeah. So when you get to CoinMarketCap, you may be able to know the list of coins and tokens based on their ranking by the market cap. So if you are trading a particular coin, you have to just come to CoinMarketCap, access and know the ranking, right? Access to know the coin or the token and based on its ranking, right? And also on CoinMarketCap, the next thing is CoinMarketCap helps traders to track price movements, okay? Price and volume data. Price and volume data, which is also one of the key areas or key things that every trader should focus on. So if God permits, all these things we shall open them one after the other. Most of the coins we shall look at them. Um, what do you mean by maximum supply, total supply, and how it works, and how it benefits the trader. So on CoinMarketCap, it helps traders to do to identify or know what we call price and volume data. And actually, when we talk of price and volume data, by showing the real price movements or the real time price movement of that particular asset. And those trading on the futures market, I've told you that price movement is what is everything you need to know. Price movement is everything that you need to do, what you need to know. So using CoinMarketCap, it may be able to show or help you identify the real time and both real and then historical. Okay, so maybe for instance, when it comes to BNB, presently we know the real-time price, real-time price, and then also it also tracks for us to know the historical price, price movement, right? So let's assume we get down here. Very good. We may be able to get BNB statistics, right? BNB hot statistics. So it may be able to give us the historical price, the real-time price, and then also the historical hot price movement. So in all past times, the coins, the nature of BNB, how it has performed in the past, its all-time low, all-time high, we may be able to know and learn all these things as we proceed or as we continue to learn more about the coin market cap data. Hope that is clear. So in using coin market cap, we are going to learn a lot of things. Now, aside that too, when we are using coin market cap, it may be able to help us. Sorry, it may be able to help us to, assess the market volume. And you see, one thing about market volume is that sometimes most traders do not focus or pay much attention to trading volume. Now, if you are able to identify a better volume of an asset, it's helps you to spot out a good trending coins. It helps you to spot out a good trending coins with high activities. Hmm? With high activity. So in the case of understanding volume data, in the case of reading and then understanding volume data, you may be able to know those coins that are trending with high trading activities. So where liquidity does what exists. That is the reason why using the coin market cap to as part of your fundamental technical analysis tool would also be able to do what help you, because you may be able to track the trending price data of the coin, and which also add more value and more momentum to your decision making in the crypto market, right? Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed. All right. Now, another most important thing Another most important thing that you also need to give focus to, especially so far as you can also learn to know on the market cap. I don't know, am I using the web page? Okay, you can also use to learn more on the market cap is exchange and coin listing, right? So using the coin market cap, it also gives you a particular important information about the what about exchanges and then also coin listing. Some of you, you just wake up, you trade anyhow, you don't even know what is happening to that particular coin. That is a new coin, either it's an old coin, on what exchange it is. So you don't know. You just see the coin, you want to trade. You see, so when you use coin market cap, it will help you to identify on which exchange a particular coin exists or was listed, right? So it may be able to help it displays maybe on which a particular exchange a coin has been listed, for you to be able to identify market or liquidity. So for instance, when you come here, we have exchanges, right? We have exchanges, we have chains. So we shall look at all these things. We shall look at all these things. So when it comes to exchanges, assume you click on, if it is spot, you click on, let's say very good. You click on Binance, all the assets or most of the assets in Binance, okay? Most of the assets in Binance and their liquidity can be known here. You see? So if you don't know the assets, or if you want to know on which particular exchange will I observe or can I identify my assets, on the coin market cap, that is the only place you can get to know this with ease without any stress, right? That is the easiest place you can identify all these things without any stress. So you get to coin market cap, it will help you to display all the exchanges and the coin that are listed on it, and then also be able to do what, compare it with liquidity, right? So when you get to coin market cap here, these are different assets, right? Have you all observing? Are you following? Are you following? Are you following? So we have QNT, 1 million baby Dodge, peanuts, other. So you can see them, and then their liquidity. You can see this is what, this is liquidity. So these are their various what, various liquidity, and then their volume as well. So you may compare prices, you may compare assets, you know their liquidity and then their volume performance. So you see, it is important for us to keep learning, because especially when it comes to coin market cap, it entails a lot, it gives a lot of information to the trader, for the trader to be well abreast with the system, right? Are we good to go? Let me know if my audience are following. Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Are we good to go? All right. All right. All right. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. So on the coin market app, I believe there are vital information, not just coming here, going down. No, there are a lot of information here. So both on the spots and then on futures. Listen, both on spots and then what on futures. So you see over here we have spots and then derivatives, spots and then what, derivatives. So all assets that can be that you can spot it out on the derivatives market too are also here. So let's look at it with its liquidity. You see, so before someone will trade, you see someone is trading, is making huge profits. It entails a lot of work. It entails a lot of work. And as you keep advancing yourself, your knowledge in the crypto market, you can see the liquidity on the spot market is different from the liquidity on the futures market, right? The liquidity on the spot market is different from the liquidity on the futures market. So over here, look at BTC, USDT. Let's look at the liquidity and then the volume. So over here, you can see we have high, high, high. So as you keep scrolling, you may see that maybe some of the assets may have low volume or very good. I saw something here. Let me see. Very good. So look at this particular asset as an example. Maybe very good. We have this USDE, USDT. It seems then look at it. The liquidity is what is low, right? It's low. Now the question is, why are they saying low? So if God permits, tomorrow we shall look at it. When an asset can derive high volume and when an asset can also derive low volume, right? All right. So using this, some of you are trading an asset with less liquidity, less volume, and being a trader is not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Just jump on any coin, you fall in love with the coin. You see, in crypto, before you fall in love with a particular coin and continue analyzing it all the time, you should ensure that you've done thorough fundamental analysis on that particular coin and it is giving you more momentum. If you've not done any of these things and you are falling in love with a coin, you are falling in love with a disaster, with a heartbreak. You are falling in love with what? With a disaster. You are falling in love with a heartbreak, because sooner or later you may be experiencing. So what volume would you highly recommend? All right, so I guess we shall look at it. So you may be experiencing heartbreak in the future. Maybe you may not be aware, but right. Okay, sorry, let's proceed. Okay, so now on the coin market cap too, one of the most important thing that you'll be able to know is you'll be able to identify trending and recent added coins, right? So which is also part of my in-depth lesson that we shall look at it. It's also part of my in-depth lesson. So on coin market cap, it's so important for you to know this, that if you really want to trade on the futures market or on the spot market, there are two different coins that you need to identify. The first one is what? Um, the first one is trending coins, and then the second one is recent added coins. Trending coins and then what? Recent added coins. So let's see. So over here, let's use the Chrome. Let me get back here. Very good. So over here, when you come to CoinMarketCap, you may be able to see total mostly here important, which is one, that is the trending. And so let's get back here. One, we have the trending, right? So if you want to know trending coins now, and basically when we talk of trending coins, they are in different categories, right? They're in different categories. A trend may either be trending on a positive condition or negative what condition, right? A trend may be trending on either a positive condition or a negative condition. A trend may be trending on either a positive condition or a negative condition. So we shall look at it. So when you come here, these are some of the coins that are trending. Some may be trending for their high momentum, some may also be trending for their low momentum. So if you want to know all coins, or if you have specific coins that you want to know, you come here, you are going to see. Then even with the time frame, if you want to know the coins that have been trending within the last 1 hour or past next 1 hour, you click here. So you are going to see them. So we shall look at all these things. We shall look at all these things. So that is trending, and also recent added. So let's look at some of them. This is most visited. Okay, most visited. So you see some of these things. Why do people visit a coin? People visit a coin for a purpose. So the most visited what? The most visited coins. So they've arranged them here. You come here, Solana, all these ones, MYX, WLD. Look at WLD has been performing very good these days. That's the reason people just visited it. You can see, can you see WLD? Doge, Pi. So all these coins have been visited the most visited coins within. Sorry. Mhm. So that is how it works. And I guess after understanding some of these things, whenever you are trading, you may also take time to come and visit some of them to see where you can size opportunity, right? And that is trading, right? That is trading. That is trading. So it is always good. It is always good to assess. What's happening? It's always good to assess some of these things. Now let's look at let's look at the recent added the recent. Hello, am I back? Am I back?
Yes, you're back.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
All right. Okay. Sorry. I don't know. I guess the network. Okay. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. So please because kindly make me a call so that we can proceed. All right. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen back. Let me share my screen. Okay. So um, let's see. Very good. So we were still talking about the recent visited. So let me click on more. No, we shall look at these ones later. So good. That is most visited. Okay. Most visited assets. So over here on the coin market cap, you may be able to identify all these things. Maybe I able to identify the trend and then the recent added coins on the coin market cap. And I guess it gives traders more confidence, more momentum, and it also helps traders to track the hots and then the newly listed coins. So at the end of the day, when you are on the coin market cap, you'll be able to know if a coin was just listed recent, you may be able to know, and if a coin happens to I mean be trending too, you may be able to do what? You may be able to know. So over here in our next session, if God permit tomorrow, we shall look at the categories of coins and tokens that we have on the coin market cap and how we can also benefit from all those ones. All right, let's proceed. Let's proceed. So, and one interesting thing about the coin market cap is, as we are saying, and as we started saying, like the coin market cap happens to be one of the global metric platform. Okay, let me see. So one of the global metric platform, right? And when we talk of metric, actually, that is what we are still learning. It helps you to identify the market cap. Okay, so actually what we are doing, we are discussing about market metrics, right, as part of our lessons. So on talk of market metrics, you mean being able to identify things like the market total market cap of an asset, market dominance, either bitcoin or altcoins, and also maybe identifying the overall market sentiment. So just like the coin glass, where we were also able to identify market sentiment based on the coin market cap too. When we come here, we'll be able to identify all these global metrics here. We may be able to identify all these global metrics here. So on the first chart, on the first place, that I intend to ignore so that we talk about this later. You may see the market cap of what of the entire cryptocurrencies, which is 3.388 what 88 trillion. Then you may also see the trading volume and the alt season index or the altcoins in what index, the altcoins index, and then also the market sentiment, that is fear and what greed index, the fear and greed index, and the fear and greed index form part of what we call the market sentiment. Hmm? It's what we term as the market sentiment. So over here, for instance, let's click on the alt index. Very good. So when you come here on the coin market cap, at least you may be able to identify the fear and greed index, which is presently said it's neutral, that's 43. Traders fear and greed has not been increased excess or neither decreased too much, right? Very good. And we can also on the coin market cap of what trading volume, we may be able to also see that here. And I guess the market is spiked with it, a lot of volume, right? It's spiked with a lot of volume, and which also tells the traders that good things are happening what in the market, right? Good things are happening in the market, which is also good and awesome, right? Which is also good and what and awesome in the crypto market. So you may be able to identify global metrics here, and which is also important for a trader to know. And the last part before we proceed to other few things before we bring this session to an end, if you are using trade what do we call if you are using CoinMarketCap, you will be also be able to identify what you called ICOs and also IPOs. ICOs and also IPOs. Not only that, maybe ICO calendars, NFTs, NFTs, airdrops, various different airdrops that are yet to be listed. And then also on the CoinMarketCap, what makes it so gives it so momentum for traders to rely on CoinMarketCap is you may be able to know more about community projects, community status, and development status. Okay, and how do we do that? Now, when you take so for instance, let me talk about the NFTs first. So for instance, when you come here, you can see NFT, right? So on the CoinMarketCap, you may be able to track NFTs. And so basically, when you talk of NFTs, you mean non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens. So those that are matched into NFTs, when you come to CoinMarketCap, you may be able to access them on different. Very good. All right. So these are different forms of what NFTs, that if you are the type you love investing in NFTs, you may be able to invest in these different forms of what NFTs. But I guess you have to take your time and learn through them, because NFTs, as it is, they are one of the easiest platforms that most traders dump their money for free, right? So take your time and learn to understand NFTs before you would wish or love to invest your money in. You do that, right? So that is it. All right, we shall talk about it maybe if God permit tomorrow or tomorrow next, if time permits us to do so. So, and also we said community status and then community development so far as project is concerned. So when it comes to cryptocurrencies, one of the interesting thing about cryptocurrency assets, and which gives traders more confidence to trade on every asset, is mostly about the community you find yourself or you exist. So let's assume maybe you are trading on LDO or any asset. So let me see. Let's intentionally set for a particular asset first. Maybe any asset at all that you know. Let's say undo. Okay, so this is undo, and you would love to know more about the community. This is just the community sentiments. Now let's scroll down. So let me see market news, about historical data. Let me see about, very good. So about undo. So if you are the type you want to learn more and also know about the development of a particular project, or for instance undo, how things are going, the nature, then the progress, so far undo is giving, you may come about and then seek more information, track more information about what about undo. You come here to explore. So you explore about the contracts. Okay, so this is the reason why those who went to the other side of the journey, we were able to detect, to let them know that, hey, my brothers, you are misleading other people, because that particular project that you guys find yourself in is a fake project, right? And most of you did not know the reason why people were saying it's a fake project. And if you want to know what a project can offer you, these are the places you have to get. You look at the contract address, so, and then also assess it. And maybe in our lessons, if God permit tomorrow, I shall take time to explain all these things to you. We will practicalize it to see how to assess a contract, and then also the contract address to see its nature, either it's um a positive one, or maybe it's maybe a negative one. So you explore on the chains. So you take your time to scan on the chains and everything. And also there's a supported wallet that is Binance Web3 wallet, and then also Trust wallet. So that is it. And also the community, the various platforms that you can find yourself on this particular, on the Telegram. So whether so maybe if you want to be part of their Telegram community, you choose to click on the Telegram, and let's see. So you join, right? You join quickly, and then you also be part of the community to read, assess, and observe what that goes on that particular platform. So you may be able to do that. And when we talk of ICOs, let me get back. When we talk of ICOs, let me briefly explain that. ICOs, you mean initial coin offering. Okay. Initial coin what? You mean initial coin offering. And mostly these are some of the ways initial coin offerings, mostly it happens to be one of the ways crypto projects use to raise money to support the projects. Okay, they are one of the ways, or they are some of the ways crypto projects use to raise funds or money. I mostly they sell. Okay, they sell the new tokens. Okay, they sell the new tokens to investors like you and I. Okay, they sell the new tokens to investors like you and I before they will be able to officially launch it on a particular exchange. So it is sold to investors. It is sold to investors before they will officially launch it or not on a particular exchange. Sorry. All right. So that is it. That is for ICOs. So mostly it seems these days ICOs are not common, and we also have what we call IPOs. IPOs, that is initial public offering. Initial public offering. So that is it. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe if we permit tomorrow, we shall delve into it deeper. We look at some of the assets that we have, their projects, um from where we've started, and some of the vital informations we can know, and how those information can be able to we can practice them by getting here, and then also understand some of these few things here, and the reason why they are important to our trading journey, and which can also impact us, especially so far as we are traders who want to understand an asset, and then also analyze it and make good fortune out of it. Then these lessons are more important to you as a trader to learn, and then know more about it. That is the reason why we are embarking on this journey as crypto traders, combining sentimental analysis, fundamental analysis with technical analysis to be able to make an informed decision in the crypto market. So I believe we will end here. If God permits, tomorrow we shall proceed. Let me know if there are any questions to ask. Today is just that happens to be an introduction to the CoinMarketCap, and I believe we've been able to gain something meaningful here. Oh, someone is saying, can you let us know how you move from point to point? Can you let us know how you move from point to point? Are you talking about on the CoinMarketCap or where? Hmm? All right, so please, if you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask. So if you're talking about how to, maybe I'm not using the pointer. Sorry, maybe I'm not using the pointer, but then um let me see. Hmm, I guess I have to go back and then use the app, right? So we're talking about how I move from point to point. I'm not getting it. But then okay. So we were talking about if it's about the undo, you click here, you search for the name of the asset that you want to do thorough research or thorough search about it. So for instance, undo. So click on undo and then you tap on it nicely. So you scroll down. Now you scroll, you may be able to know. Then on top here you have different information that you can track. So I followed by getting about, right? Then on about you click on it nicely. So about you may be able to read and know more about what about undo. So very good. Then you scroll down, right? Very good. So if it's about the contract address, you may be able to and then explore on the either supported wallets and then the chain explorers or the contract address, right? So if you are talking about the platform to here are they we have Telegram, we have Twitter, we have chats, we have forum. Yeah, so you just click on Telegram very nicely. That is all. That is all. So my brother, I don't know if this is where you want to, I guess it's something simple. I actually don't know what you want to talk about, but I just wanted to use this to briefly explain to you. All right, so let me see if there are questions in there. Mhm. Are there any questions? Sorry. Mhm. All right, so mm, okay. Anyway, uh, all right, so let me see if there. Okay, I guess there are plenty of questions here. Please, in simple term, explain liquidity. All right, when we talk of liquidity, that is how money flows into the market. That is what we term it as liquidity. Hmm? When we talk of liquidity, how money flows into a particular market or asset for on both buyers and what and sellers, right? So the more people are buying, the more people are selling. The money that flows into it is what we term as what as liquidity. That is, there are more money in that particular asset, right? So yes, on a coin market cap, use the pointer. All right. Okay. So I guess it's clear. Is it clear? Okay. So guys, we will end if God permit tomorrow. We shall take most of the coins one after the other and also go through and see mostly on technical analysis how we can be able to use that to analyze the market especially on the futures market, and then also on the spot market, how we can be able to spot good opportunities using the fundamental analysis on CoinMarketCap combined with our technical analysis. So you got permit. So let me see. Thank you, really. Um, thank you so much for your time. Lose your precious sleep. All right. Yeah. So God bless you. God bless you too. All right. So he said, "What's of volume? What has the volume done?" Yeah. If God permit, tomorrow we will look at it. I don't know if we ask the question or well, with the volume. I guess if you done yesterday's session, we explain more about volume and how volume impacts trading decision. So on the CoinMarketCap, so we shall look at it how to identify trading volumes on the CoinMarketCap to add it up to your momentum in the market. All right, so guys, thank you so much for being with us this morning. I guess you've been able to learn something new, and it will impact your trading decision and your trading journey. If God permit, tomorrow we shall move or we shall go in depth of knowledge. We shall do detailed lesson practicalizing it from whatever we've discussed this morning. We shall practicalize it if God permit tomorrow. And I believe it will help us a lot. So get prepared. Let's meet here once again if God permit tomorrow to do more. Thank you for being here with us this morning. Let me know if Coach Mo or any of the leaders. Okay. Without BM, if there is any um announcement or anything to share with the audience before we depart. I guess Coach Mo is not around. Okay, Coach Mo, I guess Coach Mo is here. So, Coach Mo, please, if there is any news or any information to share with before we depart, can let us know. All right. Okay, so I guess so there is no response. I believe there may not be any other thing. So guys, we will end here. We will end here this evening. So this morning there may not, I don't think there is a training. So this evening there is business presentation. So we should all get prepared. We will meet on a platform. If you are not on a platform, please see your upline or your leader to add you to the Revolution platform. That is where most discussions are being handled, and we'll all meet there once again. So, guys, I wish you all the best in your trading journey. Go take your time and glance through all the lessons. Learn something on the Coin Market Cap and add it up to your trading journey. I think it will be something vital and for me important to use so far as trading is concerned. Do not be lazy. Keep learning and keep growing in the crypto market because your journey relies on your lessons or you learning. So keep learning and keep growing in the markets, and I believe you will surely get to a far destination in the crypto industry. All right, guys, let's end here. If God permits, we shall still meet again. I wish you all the best in your trading journey and have a good day.